Think you know all about fat blocking? Well, you might be surprised to learn that there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Fat blocking is a fascinating topic that has intrigued scientists, nutritionists, and health enthusiasts for years. It's not just about taking a pill or eating certain foods, it's about understanding how your body processes and absorbs fat, and how you can influence that process to achieve your health goals. Time to bust some myths. There are many misconceptions about fat blocking that can lead people astray. For instance, some believe that fat blockers are a magic solution that allows you to eat whatever you want without gaining weight. Others think that all fat blockers are created equal, or that they can replace a healthy diet and exercise. Let's set the record straight and dive into the science behind fat blocking. First up, what is fat blocking? At its core, fat blocking is a method to stop your body from absorbing fat from the food you eat. This can be achieved through various means, including dietary changes, supplements, and even certain medications. The idea is to prevent fat from being digested and absorbed into your bloodstream, thereby reducing the number of calories your body takes in from fat. Sounds amazing, right? But there's more to it than just that. It's a method to stop your body from absorbing fat from the food you eat. Sounds amazing, right? But how exactly does this work? To understand fat blocking, we need to take a closer look at the digestive process. When you eat, your body breaks down food into its component parts, including fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Enzymes in your digestive system help to break down these nutrients so they can be absorbed into your bloodstream. Fat blockers work by interfering with this process, preventing the enzymes from breaking down fat molecules. But how does it actually work? Fat blockers, like certain supplements and foods, contain ingredients that bind to fat molecules. This prevents them from being digested and absorbed. Instead, the fat molecules pass through your digestive system and are excreted from your body. This can help reduce the number of calories you absorb from fat, which can be beneficial for weight loss and overall health. However, it's important to note that fat blockers are not a magic solution. They need to be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise for the best results. Fat blockers, like certain supplements and foods, contain ingredients that bind to fat molecules. These ingredients can include natural substances like fiber, which can help to trap fat molecules and prevent them from being absorbed. Some supplements, like orlistat, work by inhibiting the action of enzymes that break down fat. This can help to reduce the amount of fat your body absorbs from food. However, it's important to use these supplements as directed and to be aware of potential side effects. This prevents them from being digested and absorbed. Instead, the fat molecules pass through your digestive system and are excreted from your body. This can help reduce the number of calories you absorb from fat, which can be beneficial for weight loss and overall health. However, it's important to note that fat blockers are not a magic solution. They need to be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and regular exercise for the best results. Common fat blockers include fiber-rich foods like beans and whole grains, and certain supplements like orlistat. Fiber-rich foods can help to trap fat molecules and prevent them from being absorbed, while supplements like orlistat work by inhibiting the action of enzymes that break down fat. However, it's important to use these supplements as directed and to be aware of potential side effects. For example, orlistat can cause gastrointestinal side effects like diarrhea and flatulence, especially if you eat a high-fat diet. They can really help, but remember, they're not magic. Consistency is key. Fat blockers can be a useful tool in your weight loss journey, but they are not a substitute for a healthy diet and regular exercise. It's important to make sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with in the long term. This means eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and getting regular physical activity. Fat blockers can help to enhance your efforts, but they are not a quick fix. Combine fat blockers with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. This means eating a variety of nutrient-dense foods and getting regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking or cycling. Strength training exercises like lifting weights or doing body weight exercises can also be beneficial for building muscle and boosting your metabolism. By combining fat blockers with a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. And here's a secret tip: drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can also help to enhance the effects of fat blockers. Water helps to flush out the unabsorbed fat from your digestive system, which can help to reduce side effects like bloating and gas. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and more if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. Drinking water before meals can also help to reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. It helps flush out the unabsorbed fat. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can also help to enhance the effects of fat blockers. Water helps to flush out the unabsorbed fat from your digestive system, which can help to reduce side effects like bloating and gas. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and more if you are physically active or live in a hot climate. Drinking water before meals can also help to reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. So, there you have it. The essence of fat blocking is about making smart choices and staying active. By understanding how fat blockers work and incorporating them into a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Remember, there are no shortcuts to lasting weight loss. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right tools and mindset, you can succeed. The essence of fat blocking is about smart choices and staying active. By understanding how fat blockers work and incorporating them into a healthy lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Remember, there are no shortcuts to lasting weight loss. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right tools and mindset, you can succeed. Ready to give it a try? Start by making small changes to your diet and exercise routine. Incorporate more fiber-rich foods like beans and whole grains into your meals. Consider using a fat-blocking supplement like orlistat, but be sure to use it as directed and be aware of potential side effects. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week. With time and consistency, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Hit that like button if you learned something new. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us to create more content like this and reach more people who are looking to improve their health and wellness. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. By subscribing to our channel, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos on health, wellness, and nutrition. We cover a wide range of topics from weight loss and fitness to mental health and self-care. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of health enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. In this chapter, we will dive deeper into the science behind fat blocking and how it affects your body. Stay tuned for some surprising insights. So, how exactly does fat blocking impact your body on a cellular level? To understand this, we need to look at the role of enzymes in your digestive system. Enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions in the body. When you consume fat, specific enzymes called lipases break down fat molecules into smaller components that can be absorbed into your bloodstream. But what happens when you introduce a fat blocker into this process? Fat blockers contain ingredients that either bind to fat molecules or inhibit the action of these enzymes. For example, orlistat, a popular fat-blocking supplement, works by inhibiting pancreatic lipase, an enzyme critical for fat digestion. This means that the fat molecules remain intact and cannot be absorbed by your intestines. Instead, they are excreted from your body. This process might sound straightforward, but it's actually quite complex. The effectiveness of fat blockers can vary depending on several factors, including the type of fat consumed, the specific ingredients in the fat blocker, and individual differences in metabolism and digestive health. It's also important to note that while fat blockers can reduce the number of calories you absorb from fat, they do not affect the absorption of calories from proteins and carbohydrates. This means that a balanced diet is still essential for achieving your weight loss goals. Furthermore, fat blockers can have side effects. Because they prevent the digestion of fat, they can lead to gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea, bloating, and gas. These side effects are more likely to occur if you consume a high-fat diet while taking fat blockers. It's crucial to approach fat blocking as part of a holistic health strategy. This means combining fat blockers with a nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and staying hydrated. By making these lifestyle changes, you can enhance the effectiveness of fat blockers and achieve better health outcomes. So, there you have it. A deeper look into the science of fat blocking. Understanding these mechanisms can help you make informed decisions about your health and weight loss journey. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from it. Leave your questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them. And as always, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Now let's explore some practical tips and tricks to incorporate fat blocking methods into your daily routine. These simple changes can make a big difference. First, consider starting your day with a high-fiber breakfast. Foods like oatmeal, whole grain cereals, and fruits not only keep you full longer, but also help your digestive system process fats more efficiently. Fiber binds to fat molecules, making it easier for your body to excrete them. Next, stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial as it aids digestion and helps your body flush out excess fat. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Incorporate more healthy fats into your diet. Yes, you heard that right. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, can actually help your body burn more fat by boosting your metabolism. Don't forget about portion control. Using smaller plates and being mindful of serving sizes can help you manage your fat intake without feeling deprived. Add a fat-blocking supplement to your routine, but always consult with a healthcare professional first. Supplements like Orlistat can be effective, but they work best when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Speaking of exercise, aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Whether it's a brisk walk, cycling, or a dance class, staying active helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Lastly, keep a food diary. Tracking what you eat can help you identify patterns and make healthier choices. Apps and journals can be a great way to stay accountable and motivated. By integrating these tips into your daily life, you can enhance the effectiveness of fat blocking and move closer to your health and weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Leave your questions or additional tips in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Finally, let's hear from experts and real-life success stories to inspire and motivate you on your fat-blocking journey. Cut to a faceless expert voiceover with animated graphics. Hi, I'm Dr. Jane Smith, a nutritionist with over 20 years of experience. The methods we've discussed today are grounded in scientific research and have shown remarkable results. Remember, the key to blocking fat effectively is consistency and making informed choices about your diet and lifestyle. Transition to animated success story testimonials. Meet Sarah. She struggled with weight management for years until she discovered the power of fat-blocking methods. By incorporating high-fiber breakfasts, staying hydrated, and adding healthy fats to her diet, Sarah lost 20 pounds in just 3 months. "I feel more energetic and healthier than ever before," says Sarah. Then there's John. With the help of portion control and regular exercise, John managed to reduce his body fat percentage by 10%. "Tracking my food and staying active made all the difference. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling great," he shares. Return to expert voiceover with animated tips. These stories are just examples of what you can achieve. Start small, stay committed, and soon you'll see the changes. For personalized advice, always consider consulting with a healthcare professional. Closing animation with call to action. We hope these insights and stories have inspired you to take the next step on your fat-blocking journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.